right now. Niggas don't know.
Silas Strange, once again.
Niggas don't know, but I got many words in my mind. It's like a slow ocean. The Nile River, never getting back though. You niggas never close even though you extra cash flows. I got many flows on my mind, you never know. But originally they got more cash than know you hold, but set to the facts and you never get back. But on top of this,
nice land. See, I'm a nice man, but money turned me to Satan. I'm thirsty for this green so bad I'm dehydrating. Hurry up, it's cash, man. I got this ride waiting. Shot a man twice in the back when he tried escaping. See, I want the whole pie. I won't be denying Nathan. Maybe I need my head
I'm just doing me, living life so lavishly. So stay out with the ball and dash and the booty. I just want the positive vibes, you know the booty. I just want the positive vibes, you know my goons be dangerous. You just came off of the block, motherfucking here the city chilling out in the dark. I'll never do this for no pussy cat, but I do this to keep all of my hoods intact. I rep a thing in a circle and I do it again. I've listened to many artists, that's why I ain't got no friends. Throwing peace signs every single time, showing love to my ends.
So I did what I was supposed to. And maybe that was provoked you to use your vocals to speak my name with a negative tone. As you stared at the walls of the cell of your own. Wonder how long it'll be before they let you come home and get your money. You maybe started looking at me funny.
Even when I'm not breathing. Who these niggas staring at me for no reason? Think I give a few more bucks if the niggas stop breathing? Say that life is fair, man, I know it's not even. See so many people take life cause the flu season, so I sprinkle holy water on my third eye.
Till I slammed her in the neck till a vertebrae broke. Just then, the pigs pressed in yelling, freeze! And I'm already wanted for selling keys. And a bunch of other felonies from A to Z, like spelling bees. So before I dropped to the ground and fell on knees, I bust shots, they bust back, hit the square in the chest. I wasn't wearing a vest, cause all I see is
murder. I can go anywhere, anywhere. Kelly for the kush, cause boy, I know there's plenty there. About to be in music scores everywhere, but not yet. They can't understand my concept. I've been climbing up the Great Wall, heaven every fall, yeah. These bros gotta know I'm on next. Good conscience, good Samaritan. Holy Father send me love, so I'm spreading it. If you didn't know, well, I'm from Maun. Everything I drop, for the vibe, for the vibe. I smoke herb and I make poetry. I don't need to talk about it, boy, just do it. Everybody got their own opinion. The reason why they feeling them, you must admit he's killing them. Running off adrenaline, waiting for the game to wanna open up and let them up. The boy
as though
smoking down,
they carry peace in their pocket, and kindness folded neatly beneath their tongues. They will sit comfortably at my table, looking around with eyes that admired the warmth of my house, praising the way I kept the fire burning while quietly measuring how much they could take before the night was over. Their laughter would grow louder when the food was finally
The pain
served.
is a tide. It ebbs and flows like the sea, but still we clove to hope. Like driftwood to the shore, wild and free. This gift comes once and fleeing.
Even though I got the songs, but even though I got it, you niggas ain't never wrong. So I'm not always there when you on, and I'm always on time. But I gave you my phone, now baby be mine. I'm not always there when you call, I'm always on time. Now baby you my phone, now baby be mine. Yo, Becky,
Kgang tsa moekana le maorata wa gago mo seka phufu ga felelentse kana kgang tsa batho ba ratana ga di fele di boteng jaaka lewate fitlhela di ikatile se ka phate ya letseng khumagatsana.
Get higher, boy. They call me like I got that Jesus complex. Young Islamaya, who that? That's Jeremiah. When I come through with the Bible, I'm like, nah, boy, we spitting street rap. Beat that, nah, they could never do that. We came from Route 9, boy, R9 gang, but we keep it clean, boy. Like you know, where the hell am I gonna go after this? I gotta go home. I got a couple things to do, a couple things to lose. And I never hit the alarm.
Down, hold that chick, let me hear you sing. Hold that chick, let me hear you sing. Hold that chick, let me hear you sing.
Weed on the table, never acting CD, but but you niggas never big creams. I got the trolls on the medic, motherfuckers on the paddocks. I would never go with checks on the low statics. My name is Silas Strange, by the way. I'm looking at the fire, you people never go away, but I'm chilling. I wish this time will never end, but tomorrow I probably never last. But check it, I'm saying goodbye to everybody now, but for now, listen to the lyrics that I got on sound. My nigga over there is gonna say something cool, but other than that, peace to everybody, dude.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody say